Steve Erceg is set to go down against Ramazan Temiro. Steve Erceg outsmarted Team Elliott today, Osborne. Match now Alessandro Costa, David Dvorak, but he lost to Alejandro Pantoja in title fight, lost to KKR France and Brandon Moreno. He was always giving us great fights, but Ramazan Temurwan Temirov is a knockout artist, 19-2, 5'4", 63 inches of reach. Fighting out of Uzbekistan, this fellow was born in Karshi and he's so extremely strong. He defeated Charles Johnson, CJ Vergara, Takaki Soya, did well at Rising FC, and I think he's gonna give Steve Erceg a hard time because his power is brutal. On the other side, Erceg can take a beating. We've seen him getting demolished against Pantoja and staying on his feet. I think Erceg is still in a good shape, and it's gonna be a good fight. I say fight starts round 3. I say technical war is coming. You're gonna call me crazy, but I think Erceg would outwork him. I understand that I'm crazy, I accept that, but I'm confident in my call.